Hello guys, I'm sure all of you are upgrading your jumper account, increasing its troop power, building power and everything. One more reminder, please don't upgrade above level 7. If you upgrade to level 8, you won't be able to jump and you have a time duration. So keep updating, you have only a few days left. You can see the time left for you to jump in the inventory. You can check there is a donkey. That donkey, there is a time duration given below that donkey, and that's how much time is left for you to jump. Be careful. One more thing is that if you want to increase your power, I have a few tips. Look at this. First, zoom out your city. So as you can see, I am zooming it out. I am going to my kingdom. Now my uh, key is set in the alliance mode, so I can see all my alliance members. So let me change it to explore. See, here it is. Change it to explore. Now you can see that there are many yellow things which can be, you can see the legend here. The yellow, this yellow symbol is for the temples, uninvestigated temples, and this green symbol is for the ones which I have already investigated. This yellow symbol is for the uninvestigated tribal villages, and this green symbol is for the ones which I have already visited. So for the tribal villages, that is this type of things, I'm showing you one. This is a tribal village. If I go close to it, if I click on it, I will get some gift. I will just collect it. So if you keep collecting gifts like this, see one more tribal village. So if I go to it, if I click on it, I will get some gift. If you keep collecting this, you will gather a lot of resources, kingdom maps and everything. One more tribal village, I will go and collect it. I got some warriors, 50 warriors. If you keep collecting them like this, you get a lot of troops, resources and everything from them. Like I also got knowledge which I can use to upgrade my commanders. One more warriors you can get. Level knowledge. I also can get kingdom, by the way. I don't know if I can see. I can also get economic researches. In the beginning, I also get economic researches from here. This is also upgraded in the academy separate. So I am only focusing on my military. The economic I am not up. See, I also got a kingdom map. First, let me show you what is a kingdom map. In my inventory, you can see that I have 20 kingdom maps. Its function is clear the fogs of a random 10 into 10 area. Now remember, in this kingdom, in the kingdom which everybody is present at the present moment, no fog is there because it is an older kingdom and all its fog has already been cleared. But after we jump, we will land into a new kingdom where it is completely filled with fog, and that time we will have to use these kingdom maps. So at that time, just collect it for now. Keep collecting the kingdom maps, and when we land in the new kingdom, use max and then use. Then you click on use. Then you will get what to do. You will understand what to do. But for now, like if you use any kingdom maps for now, since there is no fog left in the kingdom, you will get something like this, like some resources, some speed up, something. You have used one. Saying you have already explored on all the fog in this kingdom, so the kingdom maps have been automatically exchanged for the following item. 5 minutes speed up. So for now, don't use this. Keep it, keep it in like collect them, and when we land in the new kingdom, at that time we have to clear the fog. So at that time use max. Use all the kingdom maps after we land in the new kingdom. For now, keep collecting. So I just showed you how you can use the tribal villages to increase your power. Now let me show you some temples. So I am coming back, explore again. So my city is here, and I can see one uninvestigated temple near me. I'm going to click on it, zoom it out. With the treasure level, it's going to give me low treasure level, but still, let me show you for example. I will click on investigate. My scout is there standing by, so I am going to send my scout. My scout is going to come from here, from my city. It's coming. It will travel to that uninvestigated temple, and it will give me some resource, some things, some gifts, like some rewards, resources, speed ups, gems, something like that. Now this is a low treasure level one. There are many such, you can see there are many uninvestigated temples. Like you can see so many. You can just zoom in and select these are tribal village. This is a tribal village. This is a temple. So some of them might be of high or medium. I am I the one closest to me has a low reward, but there are many temples which are of medium rewards and many are of high rewards. Though those temples give more rewards. So, you should target to explore all the unexplored tribal villages and temples by the time you jump to a new kingdom, because then you will not only get all the rewards from this from the tribal villages and temples of this kingdom, but in the new kingdom also, when you explore the fog, you will find more tribal villages and more temples. So if you collect those rewards also, so you will get double the rewards of the normal players who are just logged in and made their account in the new kingdom. So I guess, see, my scout already scouted and got the treasure from here. I got a level 1 treasure of cave, so I will just collect it and see what is there. Items, treasure, level 1 treasure. See, it gave me a kingdom map, an advanced commander sculpture, and 20k food. Keep it. Now I have a lot of resources, I need to use them up, because there is a limit to how much resources I should have when I am migrating. So before that time I have to use up all the resources so that it's not more than my storehouse capacity. So don't use these, like collecting them. Don't use them now. Use all these resources and speed ups also keep collecting. Boosts also keep collecting. Equipment you won't be able to get now, but other things also like these keep collecting. Don't use anything. This I was talking about this donkey, like beginner's immigration. See, I have a countdown. How much time is left before I have, like how much time I have left to migrate. If I don't migrate within this period, then I won't be able to migrate anymore. You all will have it. You all will have. So you can check out your time from there. Okay. And see, now that I explored this mysterious cave, not temple, mysterious cave. See, its color changed and now it's a green symbol, which shows that I have already investigated this temple. So now so my tip for you all is visit all the uninvestigated this mysterious caves, uninvestigated mysterious caves, and also visit all the tribal villages. See, I have one more tribal village I'm visiting for an example. See, I'm getting more rewards. So keep collecting and keep increasing your powers. Best of luck.